Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a product that has multiple applications for repairs that as techs we see daily. So let's get started. Alright, that's just a quick look at this RELIFE 6L1P. Given that it can help you in basically any phone repair, along with the more practical uses like stabilizing it during a backlash repair, or even being able to fix the bends in the frames and the cracks in the frames, it's definitely something I'd recommend. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and if there's something else that you'd like to see in a future video, comment it down below as well. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.